I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing a billing issue on the Uber app, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the billing issue. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Options. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payments. This section will show you current payment methods and any outstanding issues. Step 4. Review billing history. Scroll down to Trip History or Billing History to identify any recent charges that seem incorrect. Tap on the specific trip to see more details. Step 5. Report the issue. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Sometimes, the issue may be due to a pending charge that hasn't cleared yet, so double check your bank statement. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your billing issue without much hassle. Good luck!